guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the best ways to wheelie in Motorcycle Mayhem. So right now I'm on the fresh account that's never played. I've joined the group, so I've got the Alpha RC 3090, but I'm going to be rating the best ways to wheelie, and then I'm going to show you the brilliant one at the end. Let's get right into it. If you didn't know already, on the computer you need to press Control to wheelie whilst going forwards. You can also put the handbrake on if you want. So, the first method, the classic. Go straight forwards whilst holding Control and W. No messing about. As you can see, I'm getting decent times, but sometimes it's just easier to do a different method. Now the second method, the turning. This is much better. It's way easier to hold and you're getting much longer times with basically any bike. As you can see, I'm holding this for 30 seconds because it's just simpler. Now, on to the third method. Head up here. Now that we're in position, let me spawn in my bike and I can show you where we are. So if I just zoom out with free cam, this is where I am, located just past the junction and a bit further. It's quite hard to miss because it's one of the larger mountains. Okay, let's get right into this third tip. So, this one is the best one by far. So, this one, you turn and you hold it with W, Control and press Shift at the start before you begin. So you've got the handbrake on. Now this is really good because it means that you can go slow whilst keeping control. I just got an achievement for doing wheeling. As you can see, I've already gone 55 plus seconds and it's really helping. This is by far the best one and the most easy to keep up because you can keep on holding it for a very long time. 10 out of 10. Thank you for watching and goodbye.